Hi, this is MC Melor, founder of Lighthouse Global. Lighthouse Global is a community that helps regular employees, government employees, retirees, OFWs, professionals, business owners, or any person who wants to achieve more in life, get their dreams, and gain time freedom. We provide resources, mentorship, and opportunities sa mga taong gustong magsimula ng negosyo o gustong magdagdag ng negosyo. Our goal is to help individuals develop entrepreneurial skills and mindset, learn leadership, communication, and business skills, build resilience and confidence through our trainings and mentorships, earn additional income using your extra time, and we guide individuals to live with prosperity and purpose by focusing on our 5 core pillars: faith, family, finances, fitness, and freedom. Our community has helped develop hundreds of millionaires, car achievers, property achievers, and international trip qualifiers. These achievements are not the result of luck, but of culture built on continuous learning, mentorship, collaboration, and consistent action. Every success story represents an individual who embraced personal growth, developed business skills, and committed to creating a better future for themselves and their families. From earning their first million, from buying their dream vehicle, from acquiring real estate, and experiencing an all-expense-paid international travel incentives, our partners have demonstrated what is possible when people are equipped with the right mindset, the right skills, the right system, and the right community. At Lighthouse Global, success is not just for the select few. We believe that ordinary people, just like you and me, can become extraordinary and achieve extraordinary results. Our track record is not just measured by the awards we've celebrated, but of the lives we transform. And you can be the next success story that will inspire others. Lighthouse Global is partnered with AGG. AGG has been here for the past 20 years and they were able to create not hundreds, but thousands of millionaires and still turning ordinary people to extraordinary millionaires. We are present in 50 plus countries and 30 plus business centers all over the world. And here in the Philippines, we have more than 100 business centers that can serve our dear partners. We also have our own building in Bulacan and Cebu. So, how to start your journey in Lighthouse Global? The first step is sign up. In Lighthouse Global, we encourage partnership, not a simple membership. Being a member simply means that you are part of an organization. You register and that's it. But here, we believe in partnership. We don't want people to feel like they're just another number or another person in our community. Kapag partner ka, merong shared goals, shared responsibilities, at shared growth. Hindi ka lang sumali para sumali lang. Kasama ka namin sa journey, sa learning, at sa success. Sa tagal ko sa industry, I've observed a lot of people na naging successful at marami ring hindi naging successful. What's the difference between them? As partners, we help one another through mentorship, training, encouragement, system, and genuine support. Naiintindihan ng mga partners na naging successful na meron silang kinakailangan gawin upang ma-maximize nila ang ready-made system na meron ang community natin. Walang kinaiba sa pagtatayo ng kumpanya. Meron mga specific roles and responsibilities ang mga partners para gumana at kumita ang kumpanya. Sa kabilang banda, yung mga hindi naging successful ay nagpa-member lang. They treated this business as if na parang bangko. Naiiwan mo yung pera mo, taantayin mong lumago. And we don't want to set that wrong expectation. Pero don't worry, kasi napakasimple and doable lang ng system na kahit busy ka, gumagana ang sistema para sa'yo. To sign up, kailangan mo lang kumuha ng Enterprise Business Package at 29,990 pesos. Ang laman ng Enterprise Business Package ay Digital Accident Insurance, 3 Platinum for your protection, meron pang 2 Bronze and 2 Platinum for your beneficiaries, at merong kasamang 3 Bronze at 2 Bibo Endorser Pack for retail option, meaning pwedeng ibenta. Ang pinaka na-appreciate ko sa package na talaga namang value for money ay ang personal accident insurance mo na worth 3 million pesos. Meaning, kahit na anong mangyari sa'yo na aksidente, talaga namang milyonaryo na ang pamilya mo. As I've mentioned earlier, meron ding protection na pwedeng ibigay for your loved ones. 2 bronze na nagkakahalaga ng 500,000 pesos each at 2 platinum na nagkakahalaga ng 1 million pesos each. Meaning, hindi lang ikaw yung protektado, pati yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Pero hindi naman lahat ng aksidente nauwi sa death. Paano kung na-hospital ka lang? Ang maganda, meron ding medical reimbursement yan up to 600,000 pesos. Meaning, masakit na ngayon na aksidente, aalisin na natin yung sakit ng pagbabayad sa hospital bills. After ma-activate ng account mo, magkakaroon ka na rin ng access sa iyong DTC o Data Trackings. Dito mo mamamonitor ang lahat ng information about your business, lalong-lalo na ang income mo. Available ang DTC natin 24/7 anywhere in the world as long as meron kang internet connection. Nakalink din ang DTC natin to our very own exclusive Bibo Super App na isang e-wallet powered by Traction Pay na merong EMI o Electronic Money Issuer License from Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Pwede mong i-withdraw ang income mo from your DTC to your Bibo Super App. At pwede mong gamitin ito to whatever purpose you may have. Ang maganda pa dito, hindi lang pang payout ang Bibo Super App. Pwede mo rin itong gamitin sa pambayad ng bills, cellphone load purchase, cash in, cash out, money transfer, or even paying QRPH. Sa madaling salita, para kang may bayad center at the convenience of your cellphone. Bukod pa rito, sa bawat paggamit mo ng Bibo Super App, ay makakatanggap ka ng rebates mula sa mga transaction fees. At higit pa doon, even yung mga ginagamit ng mga partners mo under your organization, ay makakatanggap ka ng Bibo points na papasok sa iyong account. Aside from the insurance and DTC, provided na rin ang mga trainings and gatherings ng company at ng ating community, both online and offline, para matulungan kang mag-grow sa negosyo. Sabi nga nila, the best way to become successful is to follow the footsteps of those who are already successful. Kaya naman sa mga trainings and gatherings natin, mismong mga leaders at millionaires ang mga nagsishare ng kanilang mga proven strategies kung paano na ikaw naman ang susunod na magiging successful sa business na to. Bilang official partner, ay eligible ka na mag-enroll sa Lighthouse Global Academy o ang ating training hub. Sa halagang 2,500 pesos ay magkaka-access ka na sa mga special training programs sa loob ng ating exclusive members-only part ng website. Ang mga special trainings na ito ay designed exclusively para mas mapadali ang learning process mo, mas mapabilis ang paglago ng negosyo mo, at higit sa lahat, mas lumaki ang iyong income. Hindi lang business strategies ang matututunan mo dito. Dito rin madidevelop ang iyong skills, mindset, attitude, and character upang mas magkaroon ka ng long-term success at mas mapabuti ang quality ng life mo. Isa pa sa mga exciting na benefits ay ang lifestyle reward points. Habang patuloy mong ginagawa ang business at patuloy ka nagpo-progress, nakakaipon ka ng reward points. Use these points to redeem shopping items, gadgets, appliances, even travel incentives at car fund. Kasama rin dito na may-enjoy mo ang ating free travel incentives. Habang lumalago ang iyong negosyo at natatamaan mo ang mga required qualifications, may experience mo ngayon na makapag-travel kasama ang mga business partners at mga mahal mo sa buhay. This is one way of us giving back to you dahil sa dedikasyon, sipag at galing na ibinibigay mo sa ating negosyo. At ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang Step 2, ang pinaka-exciting na part, because here, malalaman mo na ang simple way on how to earn sa Lighthouse Global. Makakatanggap ka rin ng exclusive membership card na NFC-enabled that will serve as your calling card and identification para ma-enjoy mo pa yung ibang perks and privileges ng ating community. Start earning by simply helping our community grow. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay i-recommend ang Lighthouse Global sa iyong mga kaibigan, kapamilya, mga katrabaho at iba pang kakilala. Simply share, promote, connect your potential partners to our community. Sa bawat successful recommendation ay pwede kang kumita ng recommendation bonus from 5,000 pesos up to 80,000 pesos depende sa business package na kinuha ng iyong ni-refer. For example, shinare mo ang Lighthouse Global sa isa sa mga kaibigan mo, kapamilya, katrabaho, o kahit sinong connection mo. Napanood niya ang video na to, naintindihan ng opportunity at nag-decide din siyang kumuha ng Enterprise Business Package. Makakatanggap ka ng 6,000 pesos recommendation bonus. Imagine na kapag recommend ka ng 10 at lahat sila kumuha ng Enterprise Business Package, meaning 6,000 multiplied by 10, 60,000 pesos ang recommendation bonus mo. Pinakamagandang part, hindi ikaw ang magpapaliwanag. Ima-maximize mo lang lahat ng mga tools at readily available marketing materials ng Lighthouse Global. Tulad ng video na to, may chance ka lang kumita ng malaki. Online, part-time, anywhere in the world, pwede kang kumita. Isipin mo, matagal mo nang ginagawa ang konsepto ng pagre-recommend sa pang-araw-araw mong buhay. Nakasali ka na ba sa SNR or sa Landers? Naranasan mo na bang mag-join sa mga clubs or organization? At nag-invite din para magkaroon ng bagong member yung club or organization na yon? There are instances na nakakatulong ka magdala ng bagong members sa mga club na to. Kaya lang, wala kang natatanggap na kahit anumang reward o cash flow. Pero sa Lighthouse Global, sa tulong ng AGG, ang sistema iba. Sa bawat successful recommendation mo, ay merong katumbas na potensyal na kita. So how do we help our partners? Simply bring your connections, recommendations, or pwede mo rin kaming i-promote sa social media accounts mo. Kami nang bahala sa lahat ng trainings, tools, system, at higit sa lahat, sa support. In recommending, just remember, your connections, our expertise. Aside from this video, may mga coaches at mga uprising leaders ang ating community na dati lang ding na-curious, nag-how, nagpa-member, at tinrabaho ang business na ngayon ay very successful na. Sila ang mga tutulong sa mga recommendations mo para ipaliwanag ang ating negosyo, lalong-lalo na kung in-person ang appointment. You connect, we present, you earn. Ganon kasimple. Ang tanong, ilan ba dapat ang i-recommend? Well, you just need to get 4 potential partners. Bakit 4? Kasi dito sa Lighthouse Global, meron na tayong proven strategy na ang tawag natin ay Flow Plus or 4 Leaders of Wealth. Sa loob ng isang buwan, ang goal natin ay magkaroon ka ng 4 business partners. Let's say, nakakapag-recommend ka ng isang tao per week. Sa loob lang ng isang buwan, tapos mo na ang 4 business partners. Ang susunod na mangyayari ay tuturuan din natin ang 4 business partners mo na sundin ang proven strategy na Flow Plus. Meaning, tutulungan natin silang makuha ang kanilang tiga-4 na business partners din. Ito ang tinatawag na duplication. Kapag ka naduduplicate ang sistema, mas mabilis na lumalaki ang organization, mas mabilis din na lumalago ang kita ng bawat member. Assuming on the first month na achieve mo na ang 4 partners, ang cash flow mo, 44,400 pesos. Pagdating ng second month, kung yung 4 partners mo ay magre-recommend ng taga-4 na partners nila, magiging 16 ang partners mo at ang cash flow mo, 57,600 pesos. At yung first 4 partners mo naman, ang kumita ng 44,400. Meaning, kung anong nangyari sa'yo, mangyayari rin sa kanila simply because they just followed the Flow Plus strategy. Sa third month, maaari itong lumaki up to 64 partners at ang cash flow mo, 230,400 pesos. At sa fourth month, itutuloy-tuloy lang natin ang duplication ng system. Pwedeng mag-grow ang organization mo up to 256 partners. Ang cash flow mo dito, 921,600 pesos. At ayon sa projection ng Flow Plus strategy, maaaring umabot ang accumulated income mo sa loob ng isang taon ng up to 2.6 million pesos. 2.6 million pesos in 1 year? Is it too good to be true? Well, hindi kita masisisi kung ganun ang iisipin mo. Lalong-lalo na if this is the first time na nakita mo ang concept ng Lighthouse Global. But I guarantee you, our cash flow potential is based on facts. For the past 20 years that our company has been into existence, they were able to create 25,000 plus millionaires. And some of which nanggaling pa mismo sa community natin. In fact, some of our partners were able to hit their first million in just 1 month. Meron ding nakagawa in just 2 months. Meron ding gumagawa na 1 million ang income in just 6 months because of our proven business system. At tandaan, hindi naman limitado sa 4 lang ang pwede mong i-recommend. You can recommend as many people as you want, lalong-lalo na kung ang purpose mo is makatulong na mas marami pang magkaroon ng pagkakataong magkaroon ng extraordinary income nang hindi naglalabas ng malaking puhunan. Kung ikukumpara mo ang 2.6 million pesos na potential cash flow versus sa 29,990 plus 2.5 na puhunan, masasabi mong worth talaga ang risk. Lalong-lalo na kung first time mo mag-business, this is a great stepping stone papunta sa buhay na matagal mo nang pinapangarap. Ganda pa dito, hindi mo kailangan kabisaduhin ng buong presentation. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert ka agad. Dahil sa mga trainings, marketing materials at full support ng Lighthouse Global Community, merong system at mga taong tutulong sa'yo every step along the way. And remember, lifetime din ang account mo once nakasali ka na. Kaya literal bawing-bawi ka sa value ng membership mo. Sa digital insurance pa lang, lapalaki na lang value na natanggap mo dyan. Lalong-lalo na pag gumana ang Flow Plus strategy at nagsimula na mag-duplicate ang business mo. Lalahanin mo na sa pagdami ng business partners mo, hindi ikaw ang nagpaliwanag lahat, hindi ikaw ang nag-recommend lahat, hindi mo na nga nakikita yung iba kasi online lang sumali o nasa ibang bansa. Pero ang cash flow mo, tuloy-tuloy pa din. Sa dami ng taong kakilala mo at sa dami ng social media friends mo, talaga namang nakaka-excite simulan tong business na to. Just follow the system and let the system run your business. Hindi ka lang nag-i-invest sa isang produkto, nag-i-invest ka sa isang effective business system, tamang mentorship, at opportunity to build long-term cash flow. During this point in time, a lot of people are normalizing having multiple streams of income. Each individual has different motivations. But one thing is for sure, we all want to grow our income. With the current inflation rate and what's happening with our economy, this is the perfect time to invest in yourself and your future. Imagine earning 6 digits every month part-time or even generating 6 to 7 digits income in a legal and ethical way. Ano kaya yung mga pwede mong ma-achieve o sino kaya yung mga taong pwede mong matulungan the moment na kinikita mo na yan? So decide now because speed is the name of the game. Kailangan mong bilisang sumali because every hour or even at this very moment, may kasabay kang nanonood ng video na to. And the faster you join our team, the faster you join our community, mabilis mo nang magagawa kagad ng sistema, hence, kikita ka na. Plus, ang positioning. I-explain yan sa'yo ng sponsor mo or nung nag-send sa'yo ng video na to, yan ang good news niya sa'yo. Remember, if you want more time for yourself and for your family, kailangan may ginagawa ka ngayon na darating yung time, hindi na nakadepende sa oras mo ang pagkita mo ng pera. As they say, don't work for money. Build a system that works for you. Tandaan, if you want new results, you've got to do something different. Because your current choices creates your future. Kung gusto mo magbago ang financial situation mo, kailangan may magbago rin sa mga desisyon na ginagawa mo ngayon. And if you want to live the life you've always dreamed of, you need to make decisions today that your future self will thank you for. The life you've always wanted is on the other side of the decision you're about to make. Hindi mo naman papanoorin tong video na to up to this point for no reason. Kung matagal ka na nagdadasal para sa tamang opportunity at maraming beses ka nang sumubok ng iba't ibang paraan para magkaroon ng additional income, and you've happened to come across our community, this is not just a sign. This is the redirection you've been praying for all this time. Don't wait for the perfect time. Take action, trust the system, and build your flow. Because your future doesn't change by chance, it changes by your choice. Let's grow together by living the values that define our community. Because success becomes more meaningful if we achieve it together. Welcome to Lighthouse Global. Your journey starts today. This is MC Milor, founder of Lighthouse Global, guiding you towards prosperity and purpose.